you always will have a question from advanced investment appraisal. Then you have acquisition and mergers. We'll talk about business valuation. How do we, what are the growth strategies? What are alternatives to acquisitions or mergers? How to finance acquisition, how to get financing for acquisition, and etc. So this comes here, C. This is actually interesting, but it is relatively less important as compared to part B. Okay, so acquisition and mergers are good, but that one is more. Corporate reconstruction and reorganization. This, in my opinion, is actually even lesser important. Of course, it is important thing. We have to again talk about equity and debt and how do we restructuring of your capital, how it will happen. And in fact, when you do some acquisitions, after that, what type of synergies will be created?